how to download Geometry Dash on PC. Now, first things first is access your preferred browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. And then go to your search bar and simply type in BlueStacks. And then you'll just have to press or click on the first result right here. You will be routed to bluestacks.com. And then here, so first thing you want to do is you need to download BlueStacks 10 first, or depending on your computer architecture. So once you downloaded BlueStacks, you just have to create an account, and then once you logged in, you access the BlueStacks software, and then you search for Geometry Dash right here. Now, once you're able to see the results, all you have to do is just click on Play Geometry Dash on PC. It will automatically link to your BlueStack software. It will download itself, and then once the download is done, you'll just have to install it, and you'll be able to play Geometry Dash on your PC. So that's how you download Geometry Dash on PC.